Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, I hope you have watched the previous lesson. If you want to see what was in previous lesson, you can always go back and watch lesson 13. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's learn to say some more vocabulary words. Alright, the first word is bear. In English we say bear. In Urdu it is bhalu. Bhalu. Bear. Bhalu. The next word is blanket. Blanket. In English, we say blanket. In Urdu, it is kambal. Kambal. In English, blanket. In Urdu, kambal. Now let's repeat one more time. In English, bear. And in Urdu, bhalu. In English, blanket, and in Urdu, kambal. Bhalu, kambal. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Now let's learn some more words. We say we. In English we say we, and in Urdu it is hum. Hum. We hum. Then we say in English who. When we don't know about somebody, we ask and say who. And in Urdu we say kaun. Kaun. Then in English we say and. In Urdu it is or. Or. Now let's repeat one more time. In English we say we. In Urdu it is hum. In English we say who. In Urdu it is kaun. In English we say and. In Urdu it is or. So I'll say repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn counting. Are you ready? We have already learned counting from 1 to 10 in Urdu. 1 se 10. Now today we are going to learn counting further in Urdu. We are going to learn from 11 to 15. Now let's do it. In English we say 11. In Urdu it is 11. In English we say 12. In Urdu it is 12. In English we say 13. In Urdu it is 13. In English we say 14. In Urdu it is 14. In English we say 15, and in Urdu it is 15. Now let's repeat one more time. 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. Now let's sing and learn.
11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 11, 12, 13, 14 और 15. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 11, 12, 13, 14 और 15.
All right, repeat many times for practice. Okay? All right, now let's learn some sentences. We say, we are happy. Do you remember how do we say, I am happy? In Urdu we say, tell me. Excellent. Yes, we say, मैं खुश हूँ. So, today we are going to learn how to say, we are happy in Urdu. Remember, we just learned we. We is hum. So, we are happy. In English we say that. And in Urdu it is, हम खुश हैं. हम खुश हैं. We are happy. हम खुश हैं. Alright, then we say, who is that? When we do not know about somebody, we say, who is that? So, in Urdu we say it, वो कौन है? वो कौन है? Remember that in Urdu is वो. So, in English we ask and say, who is that? In Urdu we say, वो कौन है? Then we say, I and you. And we say in Urdu, मैं और आप. I, मैं and or you, आप. Now let's repeat these sentences one more time, okay? In English we say, we are happy. And in Urdu, हम खुश हैं. हम खुश हैं. Then in English we ask and say, who is that? In Urdu we say, वो कौन है? वो कौन है? Then we say, I and you. In Urdu we say, मैं और आप. All right, repeat many times, okay, for better practice. This is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you again. Watch the lesson, repeat many times for better practice. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.